Welcome to the Chiefs Arena. This is your latest Kaizer Chiefs news as Kaizer Chiefs part ways with Cedric Kaze and Khalil Ben Yusuf. Look, I think this is a big, good, brave decision by Kaizer Chiefs. I didn't expect this. This came as a surprise to me. I thought they were going to continue as the co-head coaches next season. So credit to the management, credit to Cedric Kaze and Khalil Ben Yusuf. I think they should live with their heads high. I think they've done a good job. They took a team that finished ninth. They got them third. They might have not won a trophy, but come on, mate. We've not been winning any trophies in the last 10 years. So it's unfair to judge them based on what they did in the cup competitions. For me, finishing third only behind the African champions and the Betway Premiership champions, it's more difficult than winning the MTN 8. So credits to them. I think they've done a good job. All the best. Now, the conditioning coach is also leaving. So 3 of the 4 technical members are leaving the team, which raises a question. Pitso Mosimane, as you saw him on the thumbnail, probably the reason you clicked. We know Pitso Mosimane is a coach who wants to work with his own people, his own technical team. So is there a chance we could see Pitso Mosimane being our new head coach? Because think about it. Yeah, considering that Cedric Kaze and Khalil Ben Yusuf finished third, I think that's enough to keep the job. I think that's enough to get one more season, unless someone like Pitso Mosimane says, no, I want to bring my own people. So I strongly believe there's a strong chance we might see Pitso Mosimane being our next head coach. Please, Kaizer Junior Mtaung, please, I'm on my knees, brother. I am on my knees. For the love of God, he is the right guy. He is the right guy to get us competing against this Pirates team, this Sundowns team. Please make it happen. If we appoint Pitso Mosimane as our new head coach, it's a statement appointment. It's a statement to say we are back, we are coming. Because one thing about Pitso Mosimane, he's not going to come here and be controlled. He's going to be given power to sign the players he wants. So this would be a great signing. I believe this he will be the coach to get us back to the top. So please, let's make this happen. If we make this happen, we have no reason to fail. We have absolutely no reason to fail. So please, make it happen. Give me Pitso Mosimane all day. Get rid of all of them. Goalkeeper coach, he can go. Whatever, technical, what, he can leave. Yeah, give me Pitso Mosimane and we are back competing. Let me know your thoughts down on the comment section. Smash a like. Thanks for watching. I'm out.